To make an American Express card GCash, you will need to link your American Express card to your GCash account. Start by downloading the GCash app and creating an account if you do not already have one. Once you have an account, navigate to the dashboard and click on the Cards tab. Click on Add Card and select American Express as the card type. You will be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the details correctly to avoid any errors. After entering your card details, you will receive a verification code sent by American Express to your registered mobile number or email. Enter the verification code to complete the verification process. Once your card is verified, you can use it to fund your GCash account. To do this, go to the Cash In tab and select American Express as the payment method. Enter the amount you want to cash in and confirm the transaction. The funds will be deducted from your American Express card and added to your GCash account. You can then use your GCash account to pay bills, buy, load, or shop online. It is essential to note that you should only link your American Express card to your GCash account if you are the authorized cardholder. Additionally, make sure to keep your card details and GCash account information secure to avoid any unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily link your American Express card to your GCash account and enjoy the convenience of using GCash for your daily transactions.